So, hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is a reading from 21st of September till the 30th of September. This is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. So, let's start, sweetie. Libra, your partner's current energy right now is, roles can be reversed anytime, okay? I told you so many times. I got messages from people that it is exactly the opposite, it is not like this and all. So, the roles can be reversed. You have to check it for yourself. Okay, now let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Libra. Okay, it's falling down. I have to shuffle it again once more. Okay, so your partner's current energy right now is a Star. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here. So Libra, your partner right now is healing. Either he's healing, he or she is healing, or they are going through some kind of spiritual awakening in their life. And I feel like they are being very optimistic and positive that yes, everything is going to be fine. Might be between you guys or might be in their own life. But this person is really optimistic about the future right now. Let me clarify the Star. They are hopeful actually. They have a hope. They have a hope about something in their life. Let me clarify the Star in their current energy. Let's see. Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, and Eight of Cups. Okay, I feel like your partner right now is trying to settle down. And they are just trying to, shift their focus from the love part to the healing part or to the business or job or something like this, because they are feeling like either you are walking away or they are walking away from this connection. So I feel like Libra, one of you is walking away from this particular connection or have already walked away. Now this person is hopeful that everything is going to be fine in the future. You might be very slow to approach them, but you will go to them and you will talk to them. They are feeling like this. They have this energy of they are feeling like, yeah, although you have walked away or although you are walking away energetically from them, but everything is going to be fine in the future. Might be they are just feeling like you will go back to them or you will return to them. This is the situation here. Very hopeful and very positive. Sometimes it is the false hopes also, I understand, but this person is particularly very positive about this situation in his or her life. Okay, let me see what's your current energy, Libra. Your current energy right now is, let's see, Two of Cups. Wow, you are in this loving energy of you are loving somebody or somebody is loving you. This is the Two of Cups energy. You are feeling soulful connection with somebody. You are feeling like, yes, this is it. This is what I wanted in my life. This is the love of my life. With whomsoever you are right now connected, you are feeling a soulmate energy with them. This is a very beautiful energy. Let me clarify the Two of Cups in your current energy, honey. Let me clarify. Two of Cups in your current energy. Seven of Swords, Nine of Swords, oh my god, and the Two of Swords, Lords of Swords. Okay, I feel like although you're feeling like this is a beautiful energy of love, this is beautiful energy of soulmate, there is something that is bothering you a lot. You are in some kind of mental conflict, you are in some kind of mental jail right now, not being able to sleep. You are constantly thinking about this person, constantly thinking about the future with this particular person, with whomsoever you are connected. I feel like you have something to tell them. Or there's something that you have to tell to somebody, and that's why you are very stressed. Because you are not able to tell this particular truth or particular something to somebody, and you are on the crossroads related to this connection. You are typically on the crossroads. You are mentally, what you are doing right now, Libra, is you are mixing emotions and logic together, and that's why you are not able to sleep, because you are trying your best to not mix emotions with the logic thing, and you're trying your best to listen to your mind, okay, rather than your heart. That is why you are conflicted. Although you feel like this person is your soulmate and they have beautiful energy of love, they are the love of your life, everything like this. Okay, so Libra, let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let me see. Death, Scorpio energy. I feel like this person is feeling there's nothing left in this connection with you, or there's a separation, or there's a rebirth. Yes, not a separation. I feel like, yeah, might be physically you guys are not together with each other. Might be you guys are at a distance, but this person is feeling this energy. This person is feeling like there's a rebirth in this connection, in this relationship with you. Yes, this is, I'm not getting the energy of ending or separation here. I'm getting the energy of death and rebirth here. This connection is going through a rebirth. This is not the same as it used to be. Let me clarify the death card. Two of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. I feel like this person was juggling constantly between you or somebody else, might be, or in a situation where they felt like you are the one or not, you are the one or not. They were feeling like a wounded warrior. They were deeply hurt by something. They were deeply hurt by something or somebody. And after this hurting situation, after this saddening situation, or after this depressing phase, they are now very clear what they want, very clear and honest in what they want from life. And that's why I feel like this person is right now ending the situation with you, or they are restarting the situation with you. I feel like there are two aspects of the same story. For some of you, this person is separating with you permanently, and for others of you, this person is going through some kind of phase in their life where they were really conflicted. Now they are coming out of this conflict, and now they are very clear and honest in their intention, and they are restarting life again, restarting this connection with you again. They feel like they should restart because they feel like this connection deserves a second chance. Okay, it's very difficult. Let me see what this person wants from you, Libra. Let me see what this person wants from you. Two of Swords. This person wants clarity, honesty, communication. This is what they want from you. They want mental clarity from you. They want verbal clarity from you, might be. Because I feel like your actions are saying something else, your words are saying something else. And this person is also confused because of you. And that's why this person wants a mental clarity, clarity of words, a clarity of speech from your side, a clarity of communication from your side, what you are thinking about this connection, what are your thoughts, what you are planning to do about this particular connection with them. This is what they want. They want you to come out of this crossroad situation, confusing and conflicting situation, and talk to them openly and honestly. This is what they want. Let me clarify the Two of Swords as what they want from you. Ace of Swords and the Seven of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Definitely this person wants to have brand new beginning with you. Brand new beginning with you. This is what they want from you, Libra. Clarity, honesty. They want to leave the past behind. Everything that was toxic, cut that toxicity, cut that negativity, and stop looking out for options in your life. Stop looking here and there, stop going here and there, stop looking at so many things at the same time. Just focus on one thing at one time, and just restart your life with them. Restart this connection with them. Although I'm not seeing cups here, this person wants you to come out of this conflicting state of mind, and they want to start this connection on a friendship level. I'm being very honest with you. This person right now is feeling or wanting from you is that they want a friendship level kind of restart in this connection again, and they want you to cut off all the options from your life. See, cutting out all the options from your life and having a brand new start. They want to offer you something. They want to offer you some kind of friendship, or this is just a plain and simple friendship right now. I don't see love offer, or I don't see commitment offer as of now. This is what they want from you. Coming out of this crossroad situation and offer them a friendship token of friendship or love of friendship kind of love. This is the situation here. This is the situation here. Let me see what is coming towards you till 30th of September. 30th. Okay, let me see what's coming towards you till 30th of September. Okay. Six of Swords. Peaceful resolution. Peaceful resolution is coming towards you. I feel like after lots of battles, after lots of conflicts, after lots of fights between you guys, finally things are resolving. Finally things are going to a place where you both are going to feel like, yes, we are moving on in the same direction, we are on the same page, and now this connection is getting deeper. See, it's not like you are going to forget just like that about the past. Past will be there, past baggages will be there, but both of you will be on the same page finally, that yes, let's make it work out. Let's start with a friendship level, on a friendship level, and let's see where it's going. Okay. Okay, let me clarify the Six of Swords as a potential outcome for you. Ace of Cups, beautiful. Queen of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. My God, beautiful energy of love, beautiful energy of healing, and beautiful energy of let's start life together. Let's celebrate life together. This is what is coming towards you by the end of September. Nice, peaceful resolution, and this peaceful resolution will lead you to love and healing, and let's celebrate life together. Celebration. You guys are going to celebrate life with each other, and you guys are literally going to love each other on a friendship level. I'm saying again and again. See, the cup is finally here. The cup is finally here. There will be overwhelming emotions of love. There will be overwhelming talks of love, might be, but again, there's no commitment energy. Start from scratch, Libra, and see where it is going. Don't worry about the future as of now. Friendship level kind of energy is here. Okay. Offer of love, you can say, offer of friendship, you can say, is coming, but not commitment. Okay, cool. Love energy is coming, but not commitment again. So thank you so much, Libra, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, bye.